With the growing pool of animals that it applies to, senior pet healthcare has never been more relevant, with huge opportunities to improve pet and owner welfare, as well as vet-client relationships. Vet practices need to be proactive to realise these opportunities though. This is because owner perceptions of ageing and the gradual nature of decline associated with age-related conditions means that signs often get missed or ignored. As a starting point, to spark a shift in attitudes towards the health of older pets, Senior Pet Health Care Month has been developed by Animalcare to provide a focus for your practice to promote and encourage uptake of senior pet health checks. Conditions that typically manifest themselves in later life are often associated with clinical signs that not only affect the quality of life of the pet, but their owners too. From changes in behaviour and appearance to toileting accidents, they all take their emotional toll. This is why proactively addressing some of the signs of a pet just getting old can be incredibly powerful in building client relationships. By identifying age-related illnesses in more animals earlier, you can make a real difference to pets and their owners. We understand this can be challenging though, especially when there are so many other practice responsibilities that need managing. So, to make senior easier for your patients and clients, we want to help make senior easier for you too. That's where the Make Senior Easy materials come in. Available to download for free from Animalcare's Practice Assistance Centre, The Pack, the materials are split into 3 functions to support you every step of the way. The Make Senior Easier practice promotion materials will help you make a splash about the Awareness Month. Ready-to-use animated social posts and social top tips will make sure that your content catches the eye of your followers as they scroll through their news feed. Text for newsletters and emails, and even press materials will help make sure that your Senior Pet Healthcare Month goes with a bang. To make sure that clinical staff are ready to go, the Make Senior Easier prep materials provide essential fact-style CPD for common age-related conditions and quick reference product summary sheets. Everything is designed to be bite-sized, so knowledge can be quickly refreshed around busy schedules. When it comes to actually delivering a health check, the Make Senior Easier health check materials help streamline the process. A senior triage sheet allows owners to relay important aspects of the case history, reducing consult time and facilitating remote consultations if needed. An examination assessment sheet not only provides a handy checklist, but also aids client communication when the owner cannot be present for the examination. And to help with post-consultation communication, specific condition leaflets help to reiterate information that you've given verbally. The Make Senior Easier materials are there to support whatever version of Senior Pet Healthcare Month your practice wants to deliver. Embracing the Awareness Month can take many forms, but it all centres on effectively getting the word out there and then delivering great senior pet health checks. To develop a plan for what that looks like in your practice, you just need to ask yourself a few questions. Once you've chosen your campaign month, what will delivery of the senior pet health checks look like? Do you want to have specific consults? If so, will they be on a set day or a set time? Could you even integrate them into other routine consults? Will the health checks be discounted or even free? If you already offer free senior pet health checks, perhaps you could publicly pledge as a practice to deliver a certain number of them during your Senior Pet Health Care Month. Who will deliver the senior pet health checks? Will all clinical staff take part, or could you have a specific senior pet health advocate on the clinical team? How much can be done remotely, and what does a senior pet health check actually involve? What are the next steps if anything suspicious is found and needs investigating? Your Senior Pet Healthcare Month will be more successful if everyone gets involved. To not only deliver excellent senior pet health checks, but also drum up enthusiasm and involvement. Front of house staff are perfectly placed to bring up Senior Pet Healthcare Month in conversations with clients. And those who manage external communications, such as social media, can plan ahead to include regular posts in the schedule. With the Make Senior Easier materials, Senior Pet Healthcare Month has the potential to help many older pets, their owners, and your practice. If you think of Senior Pet Healthcare Month as a launch platform for ongoing advocacy of older pet health in your practice, that potential only grows. We want to help make senior easier for everyone, so visit the pack to download your practice materials, and if you have any questions, just get in touch.